Hey everyone! Welcome back to Eagle Kombat. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Solana, one of the fastest growing blockchain platforms out there. If you're new to Solana or just curious about how it works, this video is for you. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is Solana? Solana is a high-performance blockchain that supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps. It's known for its impressive scalability and fast transaction speeds, which set it apart from other blockchains like Ethereum and Bitcoin. While Bitcoin can handle around 7 transactions per second, and Ethereum about 15 to 30 transactions per second, Solana can handle up to 65,000 transactions per second. That's a game changer for the world of blockchain technology. Now let's talk about some key features that make Solana unique. First up, we have Proof of History, or POH. Proof of history is a novel consensus mechanism that timestamps transactions before they're added to the blockchain. This process creates a historical record that proves that an event has occurred at a specific moment in time, enhancing security and efficiency. Another feature is the Tower BFT, Solana's version of practical Byzantine fault tolerance. This consensus algorithm ensures the network remains secure and can reach consensus quickly. Next, let's break down how transactions work on Solana. When you initiate a transaction, it goes through several steps. Initiation. You start the transaction from your wallet. Validation. The transaction is validated by Solana's network of validators. Execution. Once validated, the transaction is executed. Confirmation. Finally, the transaction is confirmed and added to the blockchain. Thanks to its unique architecture, Solana can process these steps extremely quickly, allowing for high throughput and low fees. Solana's ecosystem is growing rapidly. It supports a wide range of projects, from DeFi platforms to NFTs and beyond. Projects like Serum, a decentralized exchange, and Solanart, an NFT marketplace, are just a couple of examples of the innovative applications being built on Solana. So, how can you get started with Solana? First, you'll need a wallet that supports Solana, such as Phantom or Solid. Next, you can purchase SOL, the native cryptocurrency of Solana, on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or FTX. Once you have SOL in your wallet, you can start exploring the Solana ecosystem, interacting with dApps, or even staking your SOL to earn rewards. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to Solana. We hope you found this video helpful and now have a better understanding of how Solana works. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Eagle Kombat and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.